Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share a easy makeup tutorial with you all. Wasting time, let's begin. So firstly I am going to apply this toner. This is from Dabur. After applying it properly on our face, I am going to apply this BB cream. This is from Pond's. After applying BB cream on your face, we will blend it with the beauty blender. So I'm gonna do this. After that, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. This is from Omar's and I am using brown eyeshadow. We will apply the eyeshadow with the help of brush on our eyes. Actually, I am not also pro in makeup, but I am trying to be. So now I am applying white shadow on the corners of my eyes to give it a pretty look. After that, it is the time of eyeliner. So it is from Blue Heaven. I am actually pro in applying eyeliner, so I have applied that. After that, I am using mascara. This is also from Blue Heaven. So now I am going to apply blush. You can use tint or any lipstick. So I am using tint from Swiss Beauty. So I am applying it with the help of beauty blender. So after that I am going to apply highlighter. So the palette which is for eyeshadow from Omar's, in that there is also highlighter, so I have applied. After that I am applying lipstick. This is from Huda Beauty. So yes, this is the final look.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never